So tan A is equal to 1, then we have to verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Here this is a triangle ABC in which angle B is right angle. Now tan A is equal to 1, this implies that perpendicular, for A perpendicular will be BC, side opposite to angle A is BC, so BC by AB is equal to 1. From here we have BC is equal to AB. Now we have to find AC for finding sin A. By, let us suppose it as K. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we have AB is K, so K square plus K square, this is 2K square. We have AC square as 2K square. From here we get AC. AC square is equal to 2K square. This implies that AC is equal to a square root of 2K. So this is a square root of 2K, this is K and this is K. Now 2 sin A cos A. So sin A is BC by perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos A is base by hypotenuse. So we have BC here K and AC root 2K, AB K root 2K. K and K are cancelled with above K and K. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So we have 1 here, which is to be proved. So the next question is, triangle OPQ is right angle triangle at P. OP is 7 cm, OQ minus PQ. OQ minus PQ is 1 cm. We have to find sin Q and cos Q. For knowing sin Q and cos Q, we should know PQ and OQ. Here OQ minus PQ is 1. From here we have OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. By Pythagoras theorem, in triangle OPQ, we have OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. So OQ from 1 is 1 plus PQ. OP is given 7. Here PQ square. We have an equation in PQ. From here we can get the value of PQ. Then after putting the value of PQ in this one, we get OQ. Here OQ is written is 1 plus PQ from equation 1. Now 1 plus 2PQ plus PQ square is equal to 49 plus PQ square. Now from both sides PQ square is cancelled, so we have 2PQ is equal to 49 minus 1 is 48. This implies that PQ is equal to 48 by 2, this is 24. From 1, OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Now sin Q. Sin Q is perpendicular by hypotenuse. and the hypotenuse will be by Pythagoras theorem 24 square plus 7 square. This is 576 plus 49. This is 625. So this is 25 centimeter. So we have sin q is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is OP by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is OQ. So 7 by 25. And cos q is base by hypotenuse. For q base is PQ. Hypotenuse is OQ. So 24 by 25. Now find the value. Here in triangle ABC, B is right angle, angle is theta, angle C is phi, BC is x, AC is x plus 2. You have to find the value of square root of x plus 1 into cot phi, and square root of x cube plus x square into tan theta and cos theta. See, we have to find AB so that we can find perpendicular for phi and base for theta. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have AB is equal to a square root of hypotenuse square minus a square of other side. So we have here AC is x plus 2 and BC is x. Now using A plus B into A minus B. Here 2x plus 2 occur, so we can take common 2. So x plus 1, here 2. So from these 2 we can get 1 2 outside. This is our AB. Now we have to find a square root of x plus 1 cot phi. So from the picture, for phi base will be x and perpendicular will be, now these two are cancelled, so we have x by 2. Second, this can be rewritten as x square into x plus 1, and tan theta is perpendicular by base. For theta, perpendicular will be opposite side x and base will be adjacent side. So here a square root of x square is x. Now these square root are cancelled, so we have x square by 2. Now third one is cos theta, and cos theta is base by hypotenuse. For theta, base is 2 root x plus 1 and hypotenuse is x plus 2.